second video of me. I unboxed the Play-Doh. Now I'm gonna see how I mold it to these. Should have did it all that way I don't waste time, but sometimes I end up doing that. Oh, I can't even do that because then it's gonna scrape it. How am I supposed to take it out with the nails? Hold on. Push it, push it, push it. All right. Ooh. I'll do the red and yellow for the heart. Oh, I popped it out. Scaring me. I forgot about the birds. Time to concentrate here. Yeah, how are you hearing all that ruckus? I don't know how my niece Destiny, she has a few birds. I mean, they're not that loud, but she has her cat, Munch. I can't even open it up. Ugh, struggling. Oh my nails, come on. Oh man. It's easy, but with the nails. I would have known that they have the plastic in here, and that you don't have to put it on the table. You could just mold it, because I'm gonna turn it into a heart. Unbox this way back. It smells so good. I love Play-Doh. Besides lime, the scent. Some of the scents, it smells so good from Play-Doh. I can't nail. Come on. I keep popping these sticks. Alright. I think I'm good for now. How cute they are, my little buddies. I was trying to take this out and I forgot. Okay. Take out the stick. It's gonna come out anyway. I'll put it back. Hopefully you don't hear the outside, the drilling, because they're always fixing something outside of the building. And they're always fixing the roof. I can't wait for May, so I'm gonna do some videos of me. Mostly I do is like pancakes, things like that. Fried eggs or sausage or something, like easy stuff that I do of frying and whatever. What do you want? Because I'm recording. All right. Goodbye.
I'm waiting.
I got to record here and then I go over there.
Oh, you can do it after. At least put it in and then you can go come back.
Here, Joel. He's annoying. Annoying. I can't pause it.
There you go.
No. Goodbye. Toodoo. I knew he was going to bother sooner or later. He's hungry. I know he's going to ask for the chicken nuggets because I got him the Chick-fil-A sauce from Associated when we went food shopping before. I kept thinking it was chicken tenders they had before in Dollar General or Family Dollar, and I don't know what happened. A lot of the foods did not bring them back. It's like new stuff all the time. Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna do one for now. Do the shapes. I think the green and the red. I'll do the. I don't know what this is. Don't know what it is really. I smell this all the time. Oof, it smells so good. Blue and white should be, I don't know, look like the pinwheel, kind of, the shape. Just checking the phone, I think it's, because before I didn't put, like, I'm starting to follow a lot of people. Some people I'm following of, the people that follow me. If you're wondering, why I'm not following a lot of people who are following me, because I don't see you guys. I only see certain people, and I right away subscribe to them, even though they might not doing videos or whatever. But I subscribe to you guys because you show support to me. I want to show support to you guys too. So that's why. If you want me to follow you, comment down below, and that way I see you and subscribe to you. And if you're recording videos, I would like to check them out. I'm doing the green white circle thing. I don't know what it is. It's like weird shapes there. I was gonna do a lot of videos, but I did some. Hopefully tomorrow go out, and then the other day I'm gonna rest and continue doing more videos. Maybe slimes next time, or putting together doing like a jewelry kit thing, like a bracelet kit. All right, when it turns to shape, what do I do? I don't know. Oh, wait, this one came out wet. It looks like a circle, but then you have to scrape it. Hopefully you see them. I'll show it the other way. When I do his dinner, and I'll record the rest. take this one out. It's like stuck in there. Okay. This one turned out perfect. Heart. Oh, the flower. It looks like a flower. All right. Let me go do my heat up my son's food. Then I'll record all the way a little.